G'day viewers, Oren here. In this quick video, I'll show you how to reset an Active Directory user's password. This is a common job when you're on the help desk, as people forget their passwords all the time, and unless you've got a self-service password reset system, the primary way they do it is by calling the help desk. Now, there's a variety of ways you can complete this task, but I'm going old school and using the Active Directory Users and Computers console. To reset the password, I locate the user's account. Here, the user account password I want to reset is an ordinary user named Ethel Sausage, and the account is stored in the custom domain users OU. I like to have custom OUs the different account types and tend to avoid using the default AD containers except for the domain controllers OU. In the domain users OU, I right-click on the Ethel account, choose Reset Password, and provide a temporary password that I'm probably going to have to relay back over the phone to Ethel. I make sure that I explain to Ethel that it will be necessary to reset the password to something new that she will remember straight after logon. I also have the option of unlocking the account in the event that the account is locked out. I click OK and the password's reset. Anyway, that's a quick tutorial on how to reset an Active Directory user's account password. If you reckon you've got a good handle on Active Directory, one of the things I worked on recently at Microsoft is a new and free hands-on applied skill credential, which is linked below. If you have any suggestions for future topics, drop a comment below.